everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abhilasha Singh and I bring to you easy breezy makeup, hair and skincare and hair care tutorials every Tuesday. So if you're new here, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for every week notification. Today I'm going to be discussing a topic which is the most asked topic, especially if you're a skincare specialist, if you're a makeup artist. People always want to know the skincare secret, especially if you are aging. Everybody wants to know those very important skincare routines to follow. So today I'm going to discuss skincare for about 35 years old. First thing foremost in skincare is your lifestyle. Your lifestyle, your food intake, your workout, your regime, how much you sweat, everything constitutes to your skin, to your hair, to the well-being of you as a person. One thing that is very important is the amount of greens and amount of vitamin C you intake. These have a very, very important mineral that constitutes to 30% of our proteins in the body. It's called collagen. It is present in your vitamin C, it is present in your spinach, kale, something that we all love, don't we? Your greens are extremely important to consume at least 4 or 5 servings a week. If you're a non-vegetarian, well, of course, fish, your salmon, your eggs, best friend, always. Like eggs have the most amount of nutrients that you need for anti-aging especially. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body. It constitutes to 30% of your body. It is an amino acid. Also, it helps in the longevity for your skin and for your hair. It strengthens your hair and makes your skin flawless. What is harmful for collagen and the production of collagen is lots of sugar. Does not help your collagen. No sunscreen. Getting sunburned is affecting the skin and it produces less collagen then. And believe it or not, smoking, very, very, very important. Should not be doing these. So you know the do's and you know the don'ts now. Your skincare. The minute you cross 35 and over, your skin is producing less and less collagen and elastin. These are the two primary nutrients that constitute the elasticity of your skin. As we grow old, our skin becomes loose and loose. To tighten this, we must use anti-aging or pro-collagen products. Like I explained earlier what collagen is, these products are pro-collagen. So they help you in the elasticity of the skin and to keep your skin moist. If you have oily skin, hooray, you're not going to have wrinkles so soon. But yes, you have to use products that will control the oil on your face. If you have dry skin, the wrinkles, the forehead lines, the crow's feet, thank God I don't have that many, but all the lines around your eyes, forehead, around your, the smile lines, the laugh lines, they all start coming more if you have dry skin. Oily skin is like an anti-aging barrier. The more oils, the more moisture keep your skin, the more easy it is for you to maintain the youthful looking skin. Your cleansers are very, very important. What you do with cleansers is you take off the excess, you take off the dirt off your face and you're prepping your skin for the creams, for the retinols, for the face oil that will go on it. The correct face cleanser can help your skin last longer. Anything that is cream based, anything that is oil based, these can also be used on oily skin. Just because it is oil based does not mean it's going to make your skin oilier. It's just going to handle the pH balance. This is what pH balance means. It handles the pH balance very well. So your skin nourishes itself, also takes care of the natural oils with these lovely products. The kind of products you use is also extremely important. It's like investing in your skin, guys. If you don't invest now, you will not see the profits in the future. A very simple law of nature. When you plant a seed, you see a tree. When you invest in your skin, you will see the most amazing, beautiful anti-aging process happening with you. The next up is face oil. Face oils are also pro-collagen. You get a lot of face oils in the market, you get a lot of serums in the market. To understand your skin is very important. Face oils add to the nourishment of your skin, and it also substitutes with the amount of skin collagen you have lost throughout the day, with the exposure to the sun, with dust, with pollution, all of that is happening. The exposure to your laptop, the exposure to your phone, all that is affecting the skin that you have and making it sallow and drier. Sometimes you look in the mirror and you wonder, why your skin is looking so tired. Well, that's the reason. Every light you're exposed to creates your skin to become duller and dimmer, and these oils are the ones that help you maintain them. Hydration. Hydration is one of the key factors of your skin to look plump, moist and nice. There can be internal hydration or external hydration. Internal hydration is obviously drinking your water, your smoothies, your kombuchas, your juices, your green juices. The external hydration is spraying rose water or spraying a skin mist for your skin to look moist and keep it hydrated. In case you do not have water intake that much, please do keep an external hydration like simple as rose water. That does the trick. Just spray the rose water 2-3 times a day and you're done. Sunscreen. One of the most important factors in anti-aging is sunscreen. It blocks your skin from the sun rays, the UV rays, the artificial lights. It also controls your pigmentation, your hyperpigmentation. Especially on Indian skins, we get dark spots very easily. These are nothing but hyperpigmentation due to the sun rays. The more sunscreen you use, the more easily you will be able to control it. Using too many products. It is one of the key factors that your skin starts reacting more and the lines come sooner than later. The exposure to online media, the exposure to 10,000 products, the exposure because we have the capacity to shop and buy now, does not mean you buy everything that you see without the knowledge of an expert or without the advice of an expert. You must use products that are reasonable, that are for your skin type, for your skin age and required. Using a lot of products is not going to help you age later. You know what I mean? Nighttime skin routine. One of the most important factors people forget is nighttime is when your skin is rejuvenating. It is resting. That means it's healing. When the skin is healing, that is when you need something more heavier in consistency. You need your retinols. You need a cream based according to your skin type. You need your face oil. Absolutely a couple of things in the night that will help your skin balance, rejuvenate and resurface to its best capable level. So make sure you have a nighttime routine. Check with a professional who can help you with this. I have a 90-day skin and hair holistic program which helps you build your internals and then the external reflects what you eat. It is a balance between your ancient Ayurveda remedies and the modern skincare. It's a whole routine I have created for people who want to age gracefully. So make sure you check it out. I'm going to put the link in the description box below. Wrinkles and fine lines. These are the first signs of aging. Wrinkles and fine lines start appearing when your skin starts becoming loose, especially around the under eye, around the eye here, the laugh lines, and of course over time your entire face starts wrinkling. The first signs of aging come around the eyes because the skin here is really thin. Retinol eye creams, also pro collagen eye treatments. These help you in controlling the eye, the fine lines around the eye. Make sure to make them a part of your routine morning and night time. The morning one can be a lighter one and you need to use your fingers, your index fingers and dab it lightly around the eye. Make sure you use very soft movements because this is a very thin skin. You do not want to be harsh with it. The next is going to be vitamins and your biotin. Very important. As we grow older, we need more vitamins to produce antibodies to fight any sort of ailment that we would be prone to. So vitamins and biotin help you in your all over health, in generating new cells. It helps you in your skin elastin, your skin collagen and also your hair growth. So make sure you take your vitamins and biotin according to your age group, according to your age type. Of course, consult your physician, your nutritionist to get those right. Skin peels and skin masks. Skin peels like this help tighten your face. They actually lift your face up, and that is what we do not want. When this face starts sagging, that is when you know age is coming to you. But the minute you use these even once a week, they are amazing, extremely amazing. They help your skin infuse with elastin, which you're losing over a period of time, over age. So make sure you do once a week a peel or a face mask, a uplifting face mask according to your skin type. Retinols. You've always heard of retinoids, retinoids, retinol serum, retinol cream. We all keep hearing this word. But what does retinol do? So retinol reduces fine lines, it controls wrinkles, it helps in producing more blood vessels, which in turn corrects your skin color. Very simple, very well explained. So retinol applied in the right amount all over your face, under the eye, will help control your wrinkles and fine lines. It helps in produces collagen to the face, but there are side effects of retinols also. If you do not have a very sensitive skin, you can absolutely use them. If you have sensitive skin, dry skin, be careful in the amount of retinols you use. Otherwise, they can cause itchiness, redness, they can cause extremely dry, patchy skin. So be careful in the amount you use and where you use them. Around the eye, make sure you use one little drop, and then you can go increase the quantity. Last but not the least is going to be lip balm. Lip balm, lip oil, these actually help keep your lip moisturized. The first signs of dryness or your skin drying is reflected on your lips. The minute I look at my client and I look at my brides and the lips are dried, I know that's not a secret. They've not had enough water. A lip oil, a lip balm, a deep moisturizing lip care will help you keep your lipstick last longer, will help you keep the lips from cracking during winters and not looking flaky and chapped. A lip oil is so amazing. If you apply it in the daytime, it looks like a gloss. And I love these Clarins lip oils. They come in different colors, but if you're using a lip balm and if you're doing an entire makeup, you want to use a lip balm, Nivea is one of the best, one of the safest, no allergic reactions, very easily to apply and not too sticky or shiny. You know, all things are always good. So I hope these pointers make sense to you. I hope you incorporate this. Anybody at any age can start working out, start eating right. They can start anti-aging according to their skin type. But the minute you hit 35, you know you're there. You're getting there. But of course, you can have fun while you're getting there. So I hope you liked today's video. I'm gonna get more on skincare, hair care. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video. I'm gonna see you next Tuesday with another amazing, easy breezy tutorial. Until then, take care, bye, and see you soon. Oh, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye.